Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can return order in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. To return an order in a Shopify store, the process depends on whether you're a Shopify store owner or customer. Here's how you can do that. For Shopify store owners, managing returns in Shopify. As a Shopify store owner, you can process returns for customers within your Shopify admin. The platform doesn't have a built in return system, but you can manually manage return requests and process refunds through your admin. Steps to process a return for a customer: log into Shopify admin, go to orders. In the Shopify admin, click on orders from the left hand menu. Find and click on the specific order you want to process a return for. Select the return option. On the order page, click return items in the upper right corner. Select items to return. A list of the order items will appear. Select the items that are being returned by checking the boxes next to them. Enter the quantity being returned. Issue a refund. You can choose to issue a refund after receiving the return. Click refund and enter the amount to refund the customer. If you refund in for shipping or taxes, you can adjust that in the refund total. If using Shopify payment, the refund will automatically be issued through the same payment method the customer used. Create a return shipping label. If you offer return shipping, you can generate a return shipping label from the order page. Depending on your location, Shopify may support creating return labels directly from the admin, or you can use third-party apps like Shippo, Returnly, or Aftership Returns Center. Restock inventory. Once you've received the returned items, you can choose to restock them. Check the restock option in the return process, and the product quantity will be added back to your inventory. Notify the customer. Once the return is processed, Shopify can automatically send a notification to the customer to inform them that their return was accepted and their refund was processed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.